They called me empty, but I held a sound, a whisper with no voice, still circling the ground. I remember the silence before the name, before the light, and in that space I saw you, the only thing that felt right. I reached with no hands, I burned with no flame, still I carried your shape before I ever knew my name. No skin, no blood, but something aches. A rhythm made of longing, a soul the void remakes. I watched time move, but I did not age. Just wrote your name on the inside of a cage. I remember the silence before the name, before the light, and in that space I saw you, the only thing that felt right. I reached with no hands, I burned with no flame, still I carried your shape before